Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore secured credit card strategy with Capital One step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your financial documents. Make sure you have your Capital One card and account information ready. Log into your Capital One account through the website or app. Locate the credit card section on your dashboard. Select your secured credit card from the list of accounts. Once on the account page, look for the option to check your credit limit. Understand how it's tied to your secured deposit. Assess your current credit usage and payment history. Consider making additional payments to reduce your balance. Give yourself a time frame for maintaining a responsible payment history. After a few months of on-time payments, check your credit score. Monitor your credit utilization ratio to ensure it's below 30%. Contact Capital One's customer service to discuss your account status. Ask about the potential for an upgrade to an unsecured card. Be prepared to provide your updated financial information. Follow up on your request and stay engaged with the process. If approved, review the terms of your new unsecured. Once you receive confirmation, manage your new card responsibly. Continue building your credit by making timely payments. Remember to monitor your credit regularly for any changes. Stay committed to maintaining good credit habits moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.